Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and another easy to follow tutorial on Netflix. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete Netflix history. So please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open the Netflix app and sign in. Now tap the three dots at the top right corner. Tap Settings. Here, tap Account Details. Under Profile and Parental Controls, tap the drop-down menu at the right of your profile. Now tap Viewing Activity. Here, find the show or movie you want to hide from your Netflix history. At the far right, tap on the Remove icon. If it is a series and you want to hide the entire series, tap Hide Series. And that's how you delete Netflix history. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.